Recessed lights are extremely popular these days, but they're not that energy efficient.
The problem with recessed lights is that the fixture itself is actually up inside the ceiling. And it's very easy for heated air or air-conditioned air to seep behind here and go up into the ceiling, and you're wasting energy in that case. So one way to seal this up is to take a caulk and put a thick bead all the way around the cutout in the ceiling, then press the trim kit, which is what they call this ring, press that tight against the ceiling, creating an airtight seal.
What type of caulk would you use on this, Joe?
Well, in this case, I'm using a siliconized acrylic, which is nice because it's not only a caulk, but it's an adhesive, and it's water cleanup. You could probably use a straight silicone, but I like this because you can clean it up very easily.
And I guess it's important to be fairly neat with this. That way, you're not having to do any touch-up paint around it.
That's right. I would put it right, as you see here, right along the cutout in the ceiling. It'll get overlapped a little bit by the trim kit, but you don't want it squeezing out.
Now, it's important not to do this on a type of light fixture that has the lens on it, because you have to pull the trim kit down in order to change the bulb. So this works great on this type of fixture.